You can see what is going on here. What is this? This is crankshaft grinding. This is how crankshaft is doing grounding. I'm going to tell you the process includes in crankshaft grinding. I'll mention 4 of it. You know the number one. Number one is preparation. You have to prepare the crankshaft for grinding. What does that include? It includes removing the crankshaft from the engine. And that also includes cleaning of the crankshaft. Before grinding can take place, definitely you have to clean the crankshaft very well. So the crankshaft needs to be properly washed, including the oil passage hole of the crankshaft must be properly cleaned before you can go for crankshaft grinding. That is number one. That is the first step. And what is second step, which is another vital step, which is inspection. You have to inspect the crankshaft. Inspection involves so many things. Inspection has to do with you have to know which particular journal has problem. You need to identify the particular journal that has problem. Sometimes the grinding may include all the journal, and the journals you have on your crankshafts are both the corrosion journal and main journal. So sometimes the grinding may include all the journal, but sometimes it may not. If you have problem only on your main journals, then there's no need for you to grind your corrosion journal. And if you have problem only on your corrosion journal, then there's no need for you to grind your main journal. So that is where inspection comes in. And sometimes you also need to identify the very journal. Let us assume that one of your main journal has issue. You need to identify the very one that has issue. And how can we do so? You can only do this by using micrometer. By using micrometer, you will be able to know which particular journal has problem. And when you can ascertain the particular journal that has problem, then you know what to do. Because it's that journal that is going to tell you how to grind the crankshaft. For example, when you gauge the journal that has problem, you make decision. Is the crankshaft going for 010? Is it 020? Is it 030? It is during the crankshaft inspection that you are going to make decision the level of the crankshaft, the level of the grinding of the crankshaft. Because during the crankshaft grinding, you are removing some surfaces of the crankshaft. So definitely, for you to ascertain which one you are removing, the amount of crankshaft to remove, which should be compensated by the bearings, then it is during the crankshaft inspection. So this is one of the vital steps before you grind a crankshaft. So you need to ascertain which one and what is the degree in which you have to grind. And that moves us to number 3, which is grinding itself. That is what we are looking at. That is grinding. When you want to grind a crankshaft, you need a machine to do so. It's a machine that will help you to grind a crankshaft. If you love this video, don't forget to share and like this video. What you are seeing now on the screen since is crankshaft grinding, and as you are grinding, you can see the person is also measuring. He's measuring using micrometer to measure because he has a target. Whether you are targeting 010, you're targeting 020, you're targeting 030. So that is where it is important during your inspection. You must know what you need. So this is the main grinding process. Now let's go to finishing. After grinding, you need to finish. Finishing has to do with proper alignment and to give everything good finishing. Finishing is very, very delicate. If you don't finish very well, do you know what happens? You'll be having problem with your bearings. You usually have bearings problem because not that you don't grind very well, not that you don't do your inspection very well, not that you don't prepare your crankshaft very well, but because you have poor finishing. So you need to ensure that the finishing is smooth. When you have a smooth finishing, you will notice that by the time you check your meter after the engine maybe has run for some time, you check your meter, you will notice that you don't have metal shavings, you have bearing shavings. But when you don't have good finishing, you know that you have bearing shavings. You see some particles right in your engine oil. But when you have good finishing, you won't have this kind of problem. So crankshaft, during the crankshaft grinding process, finishing is very, very important. So what you are seeing that is going on right here, this is crankshaft grinding. If you are not in it before, we are seeing for the first time. But you know, they are professional who does these. Yeah, we are professional. They are called machinists. So when your crankshaft has a problem, you can take it to them. They know what to do, and they are going to pass all these processes that I've mentioned on how to fix your crankshaft for you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in another video where I'm going to talk about crankshaft. There's so much to learn from this channel. That's why it's always good for you to follow me for more.